be a little different than what I normally do. I'm gonna be unboxing something that I am so excited about, and I've been excited about this for a whole week now. I got a new 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and I've been dying to get a new MacBook for some time. I've had the 2012 MacBook Pro, and that was so long ago, guys. The college that I went to gave me that laptop, so that's why I've had that laptop for so long. I'm so ready to unbox this laptop and just be more proficient, because the laptop that I have is so slow now. I just needed an upgrade, guys. I really need an upgrade. So this is the video of me unboxing the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, this is the box that it came in. I got it from Best Buy. They're doing this really cool thing with the curbside pickup. So I ordered it online, and then I literally go to the parking lot, let them know that I'm there, and they bring it to me. That's better than going inside the store, guys. Yay! So I'm gonna open it up now. I got this beautiful knife, and let's open this box. Oh, I don't need this, guys. I don't need it. Ooh. Alright. What am I, a ghost? Too hyped. Alright, guys. Look at this beautiful thing. Wow. I don't even want to open it yet, guys. It's so pretty. So pretty. Right. But it has to get done, has to get open. Oh, they all have these tabs. I don't even need a knife or anything to open these now. How beautiful. So the laptop I got is a MacBook Pro, again, 13-inch, the latest model. It is an 8GB memory with a 256GB SSD in space gray. I normally get silver, but I wanted to do something different. All right, let's do this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so it comes with the cord, you know, to charge it, obviously. Comes with its little paperwork. And then the beautiful laptop. Guys, what? This feels so light. Oh my gosh, so let me show you my 2012. I feel like this is the air, guys. I do. I'm gonna show you my 2012 MacBook Pro, and you're gonna see how bulky it is. Okay, look how big this joint is. This is a 2012 model MacBook Pro, and look how big it is. Look, compared to like the latest model, like it's so much lighter, like, so much better, guys. This is like giving me can you take this away? It's so heavy. So let us move on to this beautiful thing. Wow, it's so easy to take apart. You don't even need any scissors, any knives. Everything is just like a tab and you pull. Wow. Did we get the right one? This is a MacBook Pro? I'm a little bit like amazed. Okay, so we're gonna open this, okay guys? Look, it knows me. It knows that I am its owner. It knows, because it just turned on for me. So I'm really excited for this. This feels so nice. I feel cool. I feel really cool right now compared to the MacBook Pro that I had before was causing so much problems, and it's so big. I didn't even notice how bulky it is till like right now comparing it with this model. All right guys, I'm just gonna set up my computer and we'll be right back and I'll show you all about it. Okay, so everything is set. I signed into my iCloud, I set my computer up, so we're all set. And I can truly say that this laptop is like so cute. It has a touch bar here. You can even do a touch ID for like passwords to get into your laptop. You can use it, which is really cool. keyboard is very, very nice. I did see a lot of reviews that they were talking about the different keyboards before this one, and so they finally took out what they call the butterfly keyboard, which wasn't like it didn't have much of a click, but now it does, which is like giving you that confidence that you are actually clicking the button. I'm just really more excited that I'll be using a laptop that is much faster, that I don't have to waste patience on it. So I'm really excited about this laptop, really happy, so excited to share it with you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna probably do some clips so you guys can see it more zoomed in. All right, so this is how it looks. This is the beautiful keyboard, which has the touch bar up here. If you want to do a new window, you just do that. And then a whole thing just comes out. They even have the bookmarks. Like you can go through the bookmarks that are like right here. Isn't that so freaking cool, guys? You can do some brightness up here. You can do, hey Siri, what's the weather looking today?
Here's the weather today.
That is the weather, guys. 63. I love this touch bar. And so these are all that I have, like regular, you know, and they have like the touch ID here for your finger. And then you could just really see that it's like thin. Really, really nice. I would really mistakenly think this is an Air, like MacBook Air. So I'm just checking out the sound, guys. This is my wedding video, so I'm just gonna check it out. You can kind of hear it. It sounds really good.
Your life has definitely changed since I first met you. I always doubted that I'd find someone like you, but God always finds a way.
Oh, it sounds so good. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the finishing look. This is the beautiful MacBook Pro 2020 coming at you hard. Beautiful. Okay guys, so that's really it. What I didn't really like about it, but it's because I'm coming from a 2012 MacBook to a 2020, so it's almost like a 10-year gap. So it doesn't have a memory card slot, and it doesn't have like an HDMI slot or an Ethernet slot. So that's the things that I was just a little bit like bummed about. Coming from a 2012, I did have that on my laptop, and then now I don't, so I have to get an adapter, which I didn't really know because I didn't really do my research when I got this laptop. I was just like, I'm gonna get the latest model and everything's gonna be okay. But in reality, I didn't really know that they didn't have these on the new ones. So that's just a bummer for me, but it's okay guys, they have an adapter, okay? So I'm gonna be just fine. I just gotta wait till Amazon brings that to me, and then I'll be able to edit this beautiful video. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm really in love with this laptop. I did a tremendous upgrade and I'm so proud of it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching this different video that I've made for you this week. And stay tuned to next week. See you next Monday.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.